Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another edition of Tracy's Florida Homestead. And as promised, we're going to give you a DIY video on how to change the starter, key switch starter, on this Cub Cadet XT2 46-inch cut lawnmower. Now, this lawnmower is about 4 years old, as you can see. She's our baby. We love her to death. She's a really good lawnmower, but with this series, when they come out, a couple of the key switches tended to short out during moisture. So this is our second one. We're installing it today. So today I'm going to tell you an easy way to get this key switch out without having to take your whole dash apart. Get your trusty little spade here, putty knife, whatever you want to call it. And what you want to do is, you see on the inside of this side right here, there are 2 pin clips. And what you want to do is, when this is down in there, you want to put your putty knife right up in here and push on these 2 pin clips and work your starter out. Okay? This is the easy way because these are plug and play key switches. So the next thing you want to do, you're going to take off this wiring here. And I get antsy because I don't want to tear it up. And this piece. Okay, voila, your starter's out. Starter key switch, sorry. So you're going to put it back in the same way. Like I said, plug and play. Very easy. So easy a woman can do it. There we go. You make sure that your pins are all the way in. Okay. And then what you're going to do is make sure you put your key switch. It's done. Now your key switch is in. And what we're going to do is we're going to have my husband test the key switch. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to put this down here. I'm going to take the camera. And we're going to test the key switch to see if it works. The reason we are doing this is we have found out there's not a lot of Cub Cadet videos on YouTube on how to do something. And why spend hours taking something apart when you can do it easy? Okay.
Something else is messed up.
All right, since it's not the key switch, I might have a bad solenoid, but I thought I just replaced the solenoid, or my battery could be dead. So, as I'm doing some checking, that sounds like a starter. Okay, well, now we go to part 2 and find out where it's not coming in at. We thank you for showing up, and you have a blessed day.